Good morning. I've gotten several emails about how to use the Google Attendance form. So I decided I would share with you if I was back in fifth grade taking attendance, how I would use it. This is only for folks that are using the Google form, not for folks using OnCourse. And if you're a high school teacher and you have multiple classes, I don't know if you'll find this as useful, but you might. So, how would I use the Google form? What I would want. I want to post it once. I really got enough stuff going on. I don't want to post it multiple times. I also want the form to show today's data. Oh, there goes the grandfather clock. It's not the clock, it's the cat. Anyway, I would want it to the form to show today's data so I could quickly see the numbers and students. And I'd want a spreadsheet with all the data. If this is not what you want, then you might want to reconsider watching this video. So, first of all, you get the form. We did this yesterday, so we're not going through this again. And I'd post it in the stream. That's in the previous video. But then I would make sure I created a spreadsheet. You go to the Responses tab and click on the little icon, kind of the white cross on the green background. Click there, and it'll say, "Oh, you want to make a new spreadsheet." You have two choices. You have some choices here. You can rename it if you don't want it to be called "How did your day go?" You can call it "My attendance form" or "COVID-19 attendance form," whatever. And then you hit the create button. Let's just go back a second here. So once you do that, you will now have a form. Notice it still has the same title, and there's no data in here because if we look at our responses, go back one more. I didn't have any responses. So since I have no responses, I have no data. So click on the button, rename it if you want. I keep it the same so I know what I'm doing, but your choice. Hit create. Now you've got a form. All right, so let's add some data. So I went into the form and I added 3 student responses for yesterday's date. So I see 3 up here. I can count 3 here. I see 3 here. And if I scrolled further down, you'd see the rest of the form. But I don't only see it here. Since we added that spreadsheet, I also see the responses here. Same data, just a different format. Okay, so you're comfortable seeing it on the Google form and on the spreadsheet. So now it's the next day, and I want to get started, but I still just want to be able to use that form to see the results for today. So what I need to do, and here's my yesterday's responses, click on the snowman, the 3 buttons, and go down to delete all responses. Okay, so I'm on the form, response tab, snowman. And when you get that, you'll get this message. The third sentence is the most important. Responses already sent to a spreadsheet will not be deleted. So I'm not going to lose my data from yesterday if I decide to take the form stuff off today. See if I can move this picture up a little bit. So you hit OK. And now let's look at 2 things. The form is back to 0 because we told it to do that. But notice down here in the spreadsheet, I still have yesterday's data. So let's go ahead now. I've added 2 new responses for 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. This is what I wanted. I wanted a quick way just to see how many kids responded today. But if I go to the spreadsheet, notice I have everything. I have yesterday's responses and today's. And that's what I wanted, all the data in one place. Now, this might not be the most convenient place to look at things. So you can go ahead and sort. If you need help sorting, Google spreadsheets columns. But the quick version is you select the column you want to sort, and then you tell it how you want to sort. I want to sort A through Z, so these things show up in alphabetical order for me. And here we are. There's the results. All student 1, student 2, and we notice here student 3 hasn't shown up yet today. Still early. So now I have only posting it once in the stream, the form to shows today's data so I can quickly see how many kids I've gotten, scroll down, see what kind of problems they're having, and a spreadsheet with everything on it. So, in closing, happiness is teamwork, and it certainly is more evident now than I think ever before in my teaching career. Thank you for your support. If you have a topic you would like to see a video, please email me. I will give you credit. Be sure to take care of yourselves. This is a tough time. Oh, before I forget, you guys have done wonders for my YouTube channel. It's up 258%. Whoa! A few like buttons wouldn't hurt me either. No, I'm only kidding. You guys have a good day and let me know how I can help.